पेरेंट्स हमारे पास भी आते हैं, पूछते हैं आपका एयर कंडीशन नहीं है, बहुत गर्मी है. मतलब मैम, this is what it is. If you like it, you are welcome. If you don't, there are many malls where you can go and put your kids in an air conditioned environment. I can't do much. This is our concept.
स्वागत है आप सबका. इस वीडियो में हमने बिजनेस के ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटजीज और सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के इंस्पायरिंग से एक्सपीरियंस पर बात की है. अगर आपको कंप्लीट पॉडकास्ट चेक आउट करना है तो चेक आउट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन.
Stuck in AC rooms and we feel that कि अरे सुबह में कहीं I go for a morning walk every day for 1.5 hour. It's not primarily walk, it's just to meet people, get some sweat थोड़ा. And when I go to a dermatologist वो बोलती है कि you don't have vitamin D, you need to have these pills. When I go in the sun, मैं इसलिए चला जाता हूँ. But these days kids, we don't even get that chance. They are always in the school, then they are back into the home, which is again an air conditioned place, and then they are running around hospitals for रेगुलर इश्यूज में. बार बार बुखार आता है, सर्दी हो रही है, तो टिल यू डोंट स्वेट आउट फ्रॉम योर बॉडी यू आर
एंड अब जब से पेरेंट्स हमारे पास भी आते हैं, पूछते हैं आपका एयर कंडीशन नहीं है, बहुत गर्मी है. मतलब मैम, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. इफ यू लाइक इट, यू आर वेलकम. इफ यू डोंट, देयर आर मेनी मॉल्स वेयर यू कैन गो एंड पुट योर किड्स इन एन एयर कंडीशन एनवायरनमेंट. आई कांट डू मच. दिस इज आवर कॉन्सेप्ट. You like our concept, you're most welcome to come in.
But is it also a business decision also to some extent to make
sure
that...
Yes, because the operation cost is less.
It's very high when
and
it goes to
the reason we are sustaining, even in kind of situation, we have been sustaining for last 7-8 years. And I think right now in India, we are the only brand who have multiple centers soft play. Not many, I don't think there's any other brand which is have multiple centers in soft play. There are time zones and there are, these kind of definitely there who are into gaming and arcades. But in our format, I don't think there's anybody else. So the reason of being a little bit, I would again say moderately successful is because we are operationally also very conservative and less cost. Now, if a parent wants an air condition, sorry, we don't have.
Down the line, maybe going for
so
further...
few centers do have, like Miyapur is air conditioned because that place required air conditioning. It was on a 4th floor. It was
that's the reason I was asking.
Now I'm opening up in Bandlaguda. We are not going with air conditioning. We are on the 3rd floor. We have 2 floors ahead above of us, so the heat is not going to be that much. And air cooling is sufficient. And then where we are in a standalone shed where 35 feet height, you cannot air condition.
Right.
Your air conditioning bill will be more than the rent.
Right.
Correct. So there we do insulation. We do a 19 mm insulation. We try to cut the heat inside by 4-5 degrees, and the air cooling is comfortable for kids to play. Because आप gym जाते हो तो आपको sweat करना है ना. You want to burn calories, right? So that's what the environment I'm creating. वहाँ के भी आप बोलोगे मुझे AC दो. Party halls are all AC.
My friends always keep suggesting me कि you should post 40 you have to go to a gym. I say I'm not comfortable to breathe the same air where everyone is sweaty enough, and that's my personal thing.
नहीं, ventilation होना चाहिए ना. अब AC में ventilation कैसे
नहीं होगा. और वो बदबू है clearly. अगर if I talk raw, किसी और की बदबू आ रही है, मैं उसे सूंघ रहा हूँ, and they're all germs sweating around, और वही हवा घूम के वापस आ रही है.
That is the problem of air conditioning.
That's the problem, right?
That is, you have no ventilation. When in air cooling, you have to put ventilators.
So today morning itself, I was telling Gaurav that we got one plant. We should have like a dozen plants in this room, so that if you're sitting here for 3 hours or 2 hours, we should have fresh oxygen coming in. Right. That's our small goal. But how can I go to a gym जहाँ पर everyone is sweating? And when you talk about a gaming zone also, I'm not somehow ending up becoming a bias towards your business, but I'm just saying कि that's a practical problem जो मुझे होती है.
So air cooling में ventilation कर सकते हैं. Air conditioning में ventilation हो ही नहीं सकते because you have to close all areas.
Yes.
Right? अभी जैसे हमारा door है 18 feet का main gate है. 18 feet. तो आप सोचो 18 feet तो fresh air आ रही है. Then we have 6 exhaust fans on the roof and 6 exhaust fans on one side of the wall. And then fresh air cooler is basically fresh air coming in.
It rotates the air.
Rotates the air. तो circulators लगे हुए. So कहीं भी suffocation, stuffiness नहीं होती until unless it's raining outside and it's humid. So we just have to switch off the water line of the coolers and only put the fan in. And again it's back to normal.
Right.
And we are better off inside than outside. Outside is humid, inside is well ventilated. Now you go to a Decathlon store. Can you air condition a Decathlon store?
Not really.
It is all air cooled and they have those big helicopter fans just throwing fresh air.
Yep.
So that's the concept.
So that's a practical example. Yeah. So next time someone says things about it, maybe visit Decathlon and IKEA first, then you realize the point.
IKEA, exactly. It's not air conditioned. If
IKEA is air conditioned, right?
See, what they are doing is, it's an air cooling system, but they are rotating fresh air, fresh water, and they are circulating it across, just maintaining. IKEA के अंदर 28 डिग्री से कम नहीं होता है टेम्परेचर.
So जब आप बोल रहे हो fresh water, is that the chiller one? The chiller is again air conditioning.
It's air cooled. Air cooling systems भी with chillers आ रहे हैं.
Okay.
Yes. So Symphony is one company we use for all our play areas. So it's a very good system, very comfortable. 27 degrees. Where आप 24, 23 जाओगे, then your body will, once you're playing and sweating, and then suddenly going and sitting in the AC, आपकी body को ही
बीमार होते हैं.
बीमार होएगा.
Normally बोला भी जाता है हमारे में तो कि पसीने में से आते हो तो सीधा एसी में मत बैठो या इवन पंखे के सामने मत बैठो, बिकॉज यू नीड टू कूल डाउन स्लोली. यू शुडंट बी ड्रास्टिकली गोइंग इन अ वेरी कोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट. सो technically also it makes sense. I mean, forget the business part.
So now our air conditioning is done in all our party halls. So wherever, when we have a birthday party, all the birthday party halls are air conditioned, but the main play area is air cooled.
Okay.
उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और टफ स्टोरी को यूट्यूब और सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर दीजिए. पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया में दे दी है, जहां पर जाकर जरूर चेक करें. सो ये था एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो और मैं आपसे मिलता हूं हमारे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.